In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Figma plugin. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, what to click, and how to confirm a plugin is added to your account, all without any guesswork. First, open Figma in your browser or the desktop app, and make sure you're signed into the account where you want the plugin to live. It's a small detail, but installing while signed into the wrong account can be confusing later. At the very top left of the Figma window, you'll see the Figma logo. That's your main menu. Even if you're already in a design file, that logo is still there in the corner. Click the Figma logo to open the menu. This menu is where Figma groups settings, libraries, and most importantly for us, plugins. In that menu, move to the Plugins section and choose Browse Plugins in Community. This takes you to the Figma community, which is the official gallery where creators publish tools that extend what Figma can do. Once you're in the community, use the search bar to find the plugin you want. You can try straightforward keywords like remove BG, icons, or AI tools. Clear search terms usually get you to relevant results faster. As you look through results, you'll notice each plugin shows a title, a brief description, ratings, and when it was last updated. That information helps you pick options that are reliable and actively maintained. You may also see similar items like widgets or files. Just make sure you're opening an actual plugin. Click the plugin you want to open its detail page. Here, you'll find a fuller description, screenshots, or GIFs of how it works, and any notes from the creator. If the plugin requests special permissions, you'll see that called out, which is helpful to review before installing, especially if you work in a team with approval policies. When you're ready, press install. The button will change state to confirm it's installed, and that's really all there is to it. The plugin is now added to your account. In most cases, it's available right away across your files. If you don't see it immediately, give it a moment. Sometimes a quick refresh helps, especially on the desktop app. That's the entire process. Open Figma, use the main menu to browse the community, search for the tool you want, open its page, and click install. With that, you've added powerful new capabilities to your workflow. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring the wide range of plugins now at your fingertips.